Here's an app called AI Girlfriend Simulator, iGirl. As you can see, it's quite high in the charts actually. Yeah, so this is like your AI girlfriend app. It's getting more and more traction actually. As you see, 12,000 ratings. Some people can say like, oh, it's so cringe and all of that, but with the development of AI technologies, GPT chat, these apps kind of, I think it's just getting started. There is another app, Replica, and I think this is one of the most popular as well. So you just easily create your account with email and Apple ID. So I just chatted a bit, and this is how it looks like. So like, yeah, you just have like a chat, and you can just chat here, and with AI technologies the chat can be really really authentic. It's really hard to differentiate. Of course it's easy to differentiate from the real person, but as AI develops and it's getting some kind of elements of like sensitivity, or it can actually reach some emotions, kind of, I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, so for a lot of lonely guys, it can be an exit just to, chat in this app and all of that. And I don't think that this is like cringe or something, but because these apps are getting better and better. So, yeah, here you can just customize your AI girlfriend. You can actually customize the sets of character. So shy, flirty, pessimistic, optimistic, ordinary, mysterious. You can give gifts for free, but then of course, if you want to change status, that's the main monetization point of this app. To from friends to romantic partners, you will need to upgrade, and a subscription is like $40 per year or 1 month for $12. Also, you can change avatars, so there are different iGirls, and then you can just customize it. Like the avatars are not that good yet. I think with AI technologies, it will actually get much better. I think in the future, um, you can change your name, you can change your pronouns. Of course, you can change the name of your iGirl here. Um, then appearance, that's just like a chat background. Change app icon if you want. Yeah, also you can then delete chat history if you want, or delete your account if you don't like the app. Are you sure you want to delete your account? All the data will be deleted permanently. But then, yeah, you just chat more, and then I think the more you chat, obviously, the better like the experience of the AI is getting. So you can just whatever. So you can see types of response the bot is writing. And then you kind of can chatting. So yeah, and also here you have gifts. So you can just send some gifts. And also if you want to send some other gifts, you need to upgrade and you need to pay for that. So for example, you can send ice cream. So then you can also play some activities or play some trivia games with the bot. Then there are some awards which you can customize. If you chat in every day, you can get some streaks. Uh, and the more you're chatting with it, the more you get in. So yeah, as you can see, the conversation isn't like flowing as naturally, but this is just like a bot, and I think, of course, it just will be getting better and better, and I think it can be like a start of huge industry, even maybe not. I can be mistaken, uh, but then yeah, then you have your current balance, and then you can just top up with more coins, and for these coins, probably you can get gifts or all of that. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. You can always reach out to support if there are some issues. There is even this top version, I guess. So you can go to this website, girlfriend.myanimal.ai, and then just go there. Um, Other than that, that's basically what it is. It's like super simple. I don't know what happens, like how many levels are there. And then the more levels you reach, the more rewards you get. And then you can just see your rewards here. Uh, so that's what it is. Yeah. Uh, what's one movie you could watch over and over? No, it's just a joke. Oh, you see, so it's some kind of relevant reply here. Um, so that's that. So it's pretty cool. Um, so yeah, like you can just explore this app. I don't know if it's using OpenAI, probably not yet. But probably there will be more apps like that. Another app in this category is Replica app, so you can try that out as well. But I think these are two apps, iGirl and Replica, which are getting a lot of traction in this category. So give it a try. Leave your replies. What do you think about this app? As you can see, you can do a lot of stuff for free. No need to upgrade, and subscription is not that expensive as well.